That money spray is because this next affiliate network I've made millions, literally millions of dollars in a single year with. Haven't talked about this much. It's called the Affiliati Network, and I'm gonna be doing a walkthrough of this affiliate network, top to bottom, how you find offers, how you promote. Anybody in the world can be accepted to this network. They'll pay you out a variety of ways. You want Bitcoin, they'll give you Bitcoin if that's how you want to be paid out. And they have really high conversion rate offers, big money, probably one of the best affiliate networks out there for experienced affiliate marketers. And I'll also be explaining some terminology to help take you from beginner to expert, as well as at the end, I'll be giving you free link posting software, free community access to my affiliate community, and we're gonna be going over everything right on my computer over there. I'm gonna be walking you through the pros, the cons, and alternatives to different affiliate networks so you can figure out what is the best way for you to start earning money online without having to spend a dime. Let's get it. Hey, John Crestani here, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over the Affiliati Network. This is a really good affiliate network I've made literally millions of dollars with, and everything will be going over. You'll want to open up a computer. If you're on a phone, you'll want to flip it. I know you 13-year-olds love portrait mode, but we're going to flip it to landscape mode if you really want to follow along and make some money. But if you're skeptical, want to go through comments, just, you know, keep it in portrait mode or get off my channel. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make money. We're going to be going through this sheet, okay? We're going to be referring to this sheet, which is all the affiliate networks that I've reviewed so far and some others. I'll be explaining what that means. Now you'll want to access that sheet by going to johncrestani.com/networks. And you can pause this video to go to the link if you want, so you can access this sheet and follow along with me. But let's dive right in to Affiliati Network and why it's so awesome. So Affiliati Network is a affiliate network based in Santa Barbara, and they're really high conversion offers that are great for cold traffic. And I'll be explaining some of these terms in a little bit. Now, what you'll see here, one thing I like about Affiliati Network a lot is that they have this top offers area right over here. So they show you, notice it's sorted by the highest EPC offers, which is earnings per click. And if we zoom in on that, it tells us some really useful information. It tells us, you know, again, this doesn't represent the entire population of the internet, but you know, it tells us the top offers: crypto, finance, diet, skin, male enhancement, etc. Now, the offers on Affiliati are fairly aggressive. You know, you're going to you need to be good with cold traffic, either using the methods I've done or with, you know, being able to really farm accounts, advertise very aggressive stuff. Crypto is banned in a number of countries, such as the US. This is a form of binary options, which is just very aggressive. Male enhancement, what that means is it's testosterone boosters, or how to get a bigger ding dong. Now, capped, I'll go over in a little bit as well, but let's go through some of the offers here. Okay, so in order to access the offers, you'll want to go over to this area right here. Okay, so right there. Once you get approved, you'll go here. Then you'll see a bunch of offers. You'll see right over here is the amount of money you'll get paid if you get a conversion. Okay, if you get them to take an action. You'll notice here it says status. That means you have to apply to get access to this offer. And then we have the offer ID, the niche, other information, and what countries it is in. See, that says US. So let's zoom in on here. Now, let's just look at active offers, and I'll show you how you can actually get the link to promote these products. Okay. Now, once again, this is an advanced affiliate network, so you may not understand a lot of what's going on here, but how you would get your offer links, I'm just going to give you that basic thing. There's a lot of vocabulary, which I don't have the time to go through in this video, but you click on a product, then you could click over here where it says link to get your affiliate link, or you could go to creatives right up here, okay? And you'll see your affiliate link is over here as well. So I could just copy this link, copy, and paste it into a tab, and you'll see it redirects over to the offer. Your fast and easy way to burn fat and lose weight. And if somebody buys from that, you get a cool $83. Okay. Now, once again, the payouts on these offers are very, very nice. Now, I told you there's a ton of terms here that you probably won't understand. It'll take time because this is an advanced affiliate network, and likely you won't get approved to this affiliate network because, again, it's for advanced people making a lot of money. But you can apply, and you may get in if you say I referred you. Now, a few interesting terms to note are capped. So what capped means is it means that the company owner literally cannot sell any more products, for that week. It means affiliates have sold all of their products for the week, so you can't advertise it right now because it's selling so well. You'll see this often on Affiliati because they have a lot of really big affiliates who just sell. So that's something to note. But if an offer is capped, it means you might want to look out to see when it comes back online again, because it's obviously a well converting offer. Now, DOI, what that means is double opt-in, okay? So that means that when somebody fills out the form on the affiliate offer that you are advertising, they have to not only opt in their email, but they have to verify that their email can receive messages. So that's sometimes a requirement for offers, is that they're going to pay you when the user submits the email, and then when they verify their email. Okay. Now the next one is SOI, and what that means is single opt-in. That means all you have to do in order to make money is get somebody to put in their email address and you will get paid. Okay. And then the next one is PPS. Okay. And that means pay per sale. Okay. So that's just another way that they kind of phrase offers. Pay per sale, meaning you get paid when somebody buys the product, not when somebody opts in, not when somebody double opts in, not when somebody downloads, not when somebody submits a lead, when somebody buys. Okay, so that's an explanation of terms. Now next, I'm going to give you a free link posting software. So if you want traffic for free, done for you, I had my developers create this. So just download this software and use it. I'll also show you how you can get free community access in just a second. You'll want to navigate to johncrestani.com/networks, and I'm going to go over some of the pros and the cons of working with Affiliati. Okay, so here I am on the network sheet, and as you see, this is what pops up when you go to the network sheet. There's a ton of affiliate networks. I suggest you apply for all of them, okay? Fill out your information on all of them. You just click the links over here because you want to get accepted to some of them. You want to get accepted to as many as you can, but really all you need to be accepted to is one affiliate program. All you need is to be accepted to one affiliate offer. You need one link to get one sale, okay? Really, that's it. You can be successful in this if you're just accepted to one. You don't need to be accepted to all the programs. You just need one sale to get your start. And if you're making your first sale, post in the comments below and tell us what you advertised. But here we are with Affiliati, and as you see, the specialization is Nutra, and I would say, BizOp too. You do need approval, but if you go through my link, you're going to have a much better time of getting approved. Again, make sure you go through my link. They probably won't accept you if you don't. There are no excluded countries, meaning you can do this no matter what country in the world you're from, no matter what age you are. Affiliati has about 2,100 offers on the network. You do have to be approved to offers. They're very easy on approval once you're approved to the network. They do have some high ticket ones. So if you look at some of the crypto offers, you'll get as much as $500 a sale. The average commission is $40. They do offer support, okay? If you are a good affiliate, they will give you support. They do not have tools, training, or community. And once again, I suggest if you want to get started in this network, don't be asking the affiliate managers for help on how to promote. When you come into this network, you should already know how to promote affiliate offers. They're not going to help you out, but if you know, they have the best offers in the market for you to get started promoting, okay? These are very aggressive offers, and I've made millions with them. Now, in order to get access to the free software and resources, you'll want to go over down here to the resources tab. Again, I'm just going to keep drawing arrows because people have been having trouble finding this. Down here to the resources tab, right down there. Again, you'll want to access this from laptops. If you're people using phones, I'm sorry, but you need to save up for a laptop. It doesn't make sense to start an internet business with a smartphone. I mean, you can do it, but you're just at a serious disadvantage. I'm surrounded by computers here and screens and monitors. Laptops are cheap. Get over to resources here. Now, if you're looking for how to get traffic for free, go to these videos. I've posted them a million times. I'm tired of hearing people say, show me how to get free traffic. I've done 30 videos on this topic, and they're all right here. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit notifications, like this video. If you're not new to this channel, check out the software. Now, the software, what this software does is once you download it and fill out your information, it will go to YouTube, grab videos, re-upload them to a bunch of other sites. This is all done in an invisible browser beneath your browser, and it will put your affiliate link, it'll put your ClickBank affiliate link in the descriptions of each of these videos, and it just runs. It runs on its own. Now, it will say virus warning because we have not got the software certified yet, but it works, and it works very well. So check that out. You'll need to download both files, and there's your free software. Now, if you'd like to be involved in our affiliate community, I'm not going to help you. I'm tired of people, I'm putting up these videos every day for you, and I'm tired of seeing people emailing me and, trying to message me or write comments saying, John, can you please help me? What is your phone number? I want to call you and talk to you. I'm not gonna freaking help you, dude. And usually these people don't speak any English. I'm gonna spend time with my wife. So if you want help, go watch my videos and go join the affiliate community right here. Okay, we built a community for you to work with other affiliates. I understand I may be the only person that's successfully running an internet business, but if you want to meet other people who are successfully running an internet business, go to the community. It's free, okay? And there's a lot of people in it all talking about e-com, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, all sorts of stuff. So go to the link, make sure, again, go to the resources, and I hope that helps you out. Now, we have some other things here, how to get accepted as affiliate, JV pages, etc. You can check out all of those on this page. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching the video, being involved, for taking action and making stuff happen. I love seeing the testimonials. Anybody who can shoot me a testimonial video would be much appreciated. Send it to my support. Like, subscribe, comment, and talk to you tomorrow. Let's get it.